They actually don't like each other. I don't know why they're being nice all of a sudden to each other. That's the brother and the sister, by the way. But I have no idea why they're being so nice to each other all of a sudden. Oh, wait. He's getting angry now. She's getting angry. Oh, here we come. They're getting pissed off at each other. Uh-oh. Oh, that's so cute. Oh. Oh. Looks like it's choking him or something. Look at that. Where is he? Where is he? Look, it looks like he's choking him. He's interrogating him. Are you trying to kill your brother? Huh? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit's getting down now. I told you they didn't like each other. See how they seem so cute? Look at that. Oh. Hey, break it up now. You guys are family. Oh, you're so cute when you're angry. God damn, that's some punches right there. Come on, guys. You guys are like dogs. He's like, oh, screw this shit. I'm out. I'm out. Peace out. See what you did? How dare you, kitty? That was brutal as hell. You guys are assholes. Anyways.